please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
As part of regular pool maintenance, cleaning of the pump basket should be done weekly. To accomplish this, please shut power to the pump. This can be accomplished either at the switch or on the main controls depending on your pool setup. Go ahead and remove the lid from the pump strainer by turning counterclockwise. At this point, you can remove the pump basket from the strainer. After removing, you can inspect for debris and clean it out if necessary. In our case, we're using a nearby water hose for cleaning. You'll want to put the basket back into the housing, then put in place the rubber gasket, which helps seal the lid. Sometimes you may need to use a bit of lubricant, we would suggest lube tube, to help place the gasket on the correct seating. Lastly, put the lid back on clockwise to put in place. Next, we'll check the skimmer basket. Remove the lid, and in our case, remove the oil-absorbing sponge product called scum balls and put off to the side. We offer a similar product called scum bugs that are easily found for sale on our website and in our retail locations. During this time, the pump is remaining off so you're able to easily remove the skimmer basket. Take out any chlorine tablets that may be in the basket and put those off to the side as well. Clean the skimmer basket of all debris, inspect, and place back into the skimmer. Don't forget to also add back the chlorine tabs and scum balls if you are using them. Testing your water yourself can be accomplished using test strips. In this video, we are using the Insta3 test strip from the Lamont Company. We have many different strips available for purchase and would be happy to assist you in selecting one. Take one of the strips and submerge in the pool water. Give a good swirl and then promptly remove it. Coming on the side of the bottle is a handy measuring guide to assist you in optimizing your water by matching the color results to it. In this video, we are testing for chlorine, alkalinity, and pH. As a result of this test, we now know that the water is in great shape. To conclude, keeping a clean pool is as easy as 3 weekly pool checks. Make sure you check and clean the pump basket, check and clean the skimmer basket, and use test strips to test the pool water or stop by your local pool store for a more in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching.